Good evening everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to be talking about how to add cinematic intro with text to our videos using CapCut. If you are just coming across this page, do well to like, share, comment and subscribe. Without much ado, let's head straight into the video. As we've said earlier, the app to be used for this video is CapCut. So the first thing to do is to import your background. And this is my background. When your background is imported, change the aspect ratio to 9:16. Change the aspect ratio to 9:16. I'll be also changing the general aspect ratio to 9:16 because I'm recording this as a short video and not the normal YouTube format video. So remove the ending part of this because it is an unnecessary item in our video which we don't want. So after this, click on the text icon. Click on the test icon, which is here. Yes, this is the test icon here. This is the test icon. So clicking on it, I'll click on add text, then just type in anything of your choice. I'll be typing in motion. Click on your font. Okay, I'll be using Fervent. Font. You can use any font of your choice, but I'll be using Fervent. The next thing is to use your keyframe. The keyframe icon is here. This is it. This is the keyframe icon. Yeah. So clicking on it, I've added my first keyframe at the beginning. At the end, I've also add my next keyframe there. So, and at the end, there is something to do. There's something to do at the end. You zoom out until you have this white-ish stuff here. And then after that, you move on to the middle part. Click on your graph. This is your graph icon. This is your graph icon here. Yes, beside the keyframe. So click on it. We'll be using eScene. We'll be using the eScene graph. Yes, good. So when you're done with that, that's all. Then export. So that is that about that. It is saved to your device already. So the next thing, we'll be heading to a new project. So this is a new project, as you can see. So I have different videos on my phone, but I already made available the video I would like to use for this video. I'll be using this short video. Yeah. So I'll be using this. So when this is imported to my CapCut, I will then click on overlay. Here is it, overlay. I hope you can see it. Yeah, good. So after clicking on overlay, then I will bring in my just exported video, and this is it here, the 3-second video. Here is it. Yes, good. So the next thing to do is click on this video just exported, then click on splice. Can you all see splice? Here is it. This is splice. Good. So click on splice, then click on darken. Good. So when you click on darken, can you see? So after clicking on splice and darken, so we are going to zoom it in like this. Good. Then play your video. That is just it. If you want that kind of effect to show, let's say in other places of your video, you can just use the duplicate icon. Duplicate it, then move it to other parts. Okay, let's say in the middle, then at the end. Let me crop this out because it is more showing at this beginning compared to the end. Do you get it? So let me duplicate this also, then add it to the end of my video. Good. I told you that we don't need this ending part, so we are going to remove it. Delete. So we are done. So let's export. So now let's head to our video player to play the just created video. Okay, so here is it. For more videos like this on CAPCUT tricks, motion videos and all, kindly support this movement by subscribing to my YouTube channel. See you on the other side. Thank you.